And most of the companies that we're talking about have people that have worked for them for, maybe multiple decades, and they've done things in a certain way, and they've always entered it into this system this way, and getting them to think differently about this new enterprise and these new systems is pretty difficult. And if you're listening, I think one of the things that happens a lot is people end up running these phantom systems on spreadsheets and anything. Chris, to your point, anything except the thing you estimated to use, and all of a sudden, if you're trying to run the business, you have a kind of a blurry picture of what's really going on because people are using systems outside of what's happening. And maybe where Sean focuses a lot of energy is now you're stumbling on like easy stuff. Like you should be able to execute on this stuff, and we can't because we're still two separate organizations using two systems, even though we're supposed to be using one. And I can't tell. I feel like I keep waiting for the time that doesn't happen.
Absolutely.
Does that resonate with you guys?
Absolutely. Yep.
Well, I'll jump in on that. So when we take a look at back office optimization and then front office on the execution piece, from structured to unstructured data to first, second, third party data, you're looking at your competitive advantage on that story to really resonate so you can build top of funnel in your pipeline, or you're trying to grab market share from your competition from a global perspective. It's crazy how often we have these conversations and it's truly not an integrated business, and maybe 18 to 30% of their business is centralized in a database. So you're making decisions as an organization as you add capability in-house or buy it out or get acquired by a larger organization, or you're acquiring capabilities to fill your gaps against your competition so you can close deals faster or at a higher rates, right, on the ACV to get that deal closed. So from a shared value language across the enterprise, I really feel like strengthens that positioning to really drive more consistent